It's one of the oldest patches of rainforest in the world. There's like 8 pigs in that. When was that?
We put out loads of camera traps and most footage we got back were of feral pigs. They also eat all the food and can grow massive, so they can really be a threat to our cassowary, especially the chick.
Cassowaries are crucial for the Daintree rainforest to survive. They're a keystone species. Fruit relies on the cassowary to germinate. It goes through the cassowary's gut, and once it's done that, it is pooed out and it is able to grow in its own little pile of cassowary fertiliser.
They walk kilometres in a day, so they take them really far away, and they have really gentle digestive systems.